So if you have a Shopify store or an e-commerce store or new to online marketing, let me share with you, based on my 26 years of being in the online trenches, how to earn online without selling. Yes, it's possible. Hey, I'm Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches for 26 years. Now, do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. Have I made mistakes? Yes. Have I chased shiny odds before? You bet you. I've wasted stupid money in advertising, but I would like to think in the past 15, 16 years, I kind of got things worked out down to a science. So if you indulge me for just a minute or two, I'm going to share with you how to work smart online without selling. I have students ranging from 14 years old to 105 years old, and guess what? I don't have a course to sell you. My training is 100% free. I simply want you to click the banner ad, go to my website. I don't use your email address. Simply watch my video on how it's done. Now, there's no buy now buttons on my website. There's no sales funnel or a lead magnet and all that snake oil crap. I'm here to help and educate you of how you can work smart, because if you're watching this video, many of you have probably tried to make money with a Shopify store or an e-commerce store or JVZoo or ClickBank and all this nonsense. I'm going to share with you how you can ride the coattails of the 4 best online companies, which are YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, and WordPress. Now, I basically developed a marketing platform. So I don't care what your product is or what you're doing, my platform will drive traffic to any website or any brick and mortar store. So click the banner ad. Simply go to my website, watch my video. It's about a half hour long. Again, I don't need your email address. This is not a webinar. This is me talking to you, frankly. Now, if you're looking to make a quick $1,000 by next week, that's not going to happen. If you're looking to make $10,000 in 10 days, that's not going to happen. I provide opportunity. But I have many of my students that earn by not selling. What do I mean by that? Well, I have many students that earn with the $3,500, $4,500 commercial NordicTrack treadmill. How do they do this? Do they post the product on their social media? No, that's not going to work. That's selling. Rather, if you're in the market for a treadmill, would you respond to treadmill 20% off, 30% off, or would you respond better to the 10 best treadmill reviews for 2021? That's the answer. Where do you get this content? It's on YouTube. I don't want you to create videos. The videos are already there. I want to teach you how to work smart one step at a time. So if you're serious about earning the right way, and you're tired of the gurus, the mastermind, the snake oil, only I know, the geniuses, you know how they're making money? They're making money selling you their BS course. They're making no money in their field, whether it's affiliate marketing or whatever it is, SEO gurus. Yeah, okay, right. Many of those people are not making any money. They're only making money selling you their course. I have no course to sell you. Simply click the banner ad. Go to my website, watch my video, and then if you want, again, I don't have any buy now buttons on my website. Schedule a call with me. I want to educate you. I want to basically teach you how to work smart. The nature of my call is not to sell you anything. Then from that point forward, I will send you a link to my students' websites. You can see how they're put together. You can see how they're set up. And then you make the decision. I'm not here to sell you anything, because you have to understand something. If we do business together, technically we're partners. I don't want a disgruntled partner. I don't want to talk you into anything. But I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So click the banner ad, simply go watch my video, and if that's interesting to you, schedule a call with me. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks again for being here. Carpe Diem 2021. Let's roll up our sleeves, have a beverage, and learn how to earn without selling.